Members of the Assembly and Mayor Sullivan, my name is Pat Corchina, and I'm a partner in Envision Architecture building at the intersection of 13th and Gamble in Fairview. At that time, I purchased and renovated the four-story building. The paper hailed our investment as evidence that Fairview was on its way for a brighter economic future. In reality, the unchecked inebriate issue in Fairview is having a disastrous effect on the business climate, and it won't be long before the effects are felt elsewhere in Anchorage. To give you some examples about 13th and Gamble, notorious for unchecked end-stage alcoholism, scores of inebriates congregating, drinking, passing out, serious public safety issues. I have seen numerous inebriates walk onto Gamble Street and get hit by other vehicles. Until a few weeks ago, liquor stores openly selling to chronic inebriates and allowing them to drink on the property. Every person detained at the sleep-off center released within walking distance of the Fairview liquor stores. APD spending most of their budget responding to alcohol-related calls, dealing with the same folks over and over. APD budget and staff cutbacks. Not enough detox facilities and no mechanism for funding them. Drive through the blocks surrounding the Fairview liquor stores. You'll see a deteriorating neighborhood, a lot of realtor signs in front of empty properties, including mine. Meanwhile, Cars, Safeway, the big corporate neighbor on 13th and Gamble, has a corner on the market, quite literally, and hasn't been sufficiently motivated into making overdue and necessary changes to their stores or practice. Most alarming, everybody is relying on APD to provide the fix. APD says they can't go after the real bad guys because the alcohol-related calls on 13th and Gamble are taking up all their time. Each time they must deal with inebriates, they're tied up for 2 hours on the street or at the ER room. That's time away from the real emergencies of other parts of the city. APD tells us that we must address the issue of availability of alcohol, but then they're told from higher up to back off the liquor industry. And Mayor Sullivan, you keep cutting back APD's manpower and budget. Over the past 6 years, I have gone to my Fairview Community Council, Fairview Business Council, Assembly and State Representatives, APD, Community Patrols, CSP, and the Mayor's Office, and all assure me we are working on the problem and it just takes time. Assembly and Mayor, I'm out of time. I lost 2/3 of my tenants directly due to this problem, and I may lose the building because of the alcohol activity at 13th and Gamble. Must I resort to a public nuisance lawsuit? I may be left with no choice. I urge you to become informed about the problems because as goes Fairview, so goes the rest of the city, particularly downtown. Go on a ride along with APD and see for yourself the amount of time spent trying to fix the problems that rightly belong to other groups, including the liquor industry. And when the package store license come up for renewal, I hope this body doesn't just rubber stamp an approval. After all, this is your problem as well. Thank you for your time.